August University. This is David Wynn. Today we're doing something different called August Live. Just gonna go live stream with you guys. I've been working on content, trying to see what's the best way to go about this for my channel here. Whether to do lives, whether to do podcast style interviews. Which my big thing is I like to get to know more people in the space, whether it finance, whether it entertainment, whether it's cryptocurrency, what have you. I like to interview interesting people that are in the space and kind of have that same mindset as I do. So I appreciate everybody watching me on the channel as I grow and develop and try to find out what best works for you guys. So this is something different. It's called August Live. So we're gonna go through the markets, see what's going on with crypto, and just kind of get updated on what's going on here. So I appreciate everyone checking out the stream. I'm gonna try to do regular lives. It's been a little crazy right now with family and everything, everyone working from home and COVID this and COVID that, but I'm gonna make a point to get on here, jump on and give you guys value as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a share screen. There's been a lot going on with crypto, literally ups and downs. Things can change, things can sell out very, very quickly. So you gotta have strong hands, you gotta have a strong mindset as well. And only invest things that you can afford to lose as well, because it can all go to ridiculously low, or it can actually go to the moon. So just keep that in mind as well. I'm gonna do a full share screen on here for a minute here. This mic got a little wavy. If you guys can see that. Yeah, that's a little crazy. So let's look at the markets right now. This is a website I use called CoinGecko. So I use this for finding out which tokens are on the top 10, what's going on with Bitcoin mostly, and where the market cap is. So if you guys look here with Bitcoin, last 7 days up 3.4%. But before then, we had a ridiculous drop, right? This. So this was when we got hit pretty bad 30 days ago, right? Negative 36%. Right, so let's go ahead and look at the 90 days. A little slow. So this is where we had the peak, right? We're at the top here, and then we had a significant dip. Bitcoin took a little longer than the rest of the altcoin market, but it was dipping down, and then and Ethereum was actually blowing up at this time, and then boom, we had pretty much everything go to half price, right? So now we're just kind of trending lightly, trading sideways here. I'm actually going to show you guys on another chart software I use called TradingView. Boom, which I have buy and sell signals as well. But this is the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. So check this out. We're at the highest point, all-time high, 64,000, right? And then we had this this dip here. Started to build that momentum again, and then boom, this drop, right? So we had pretty much a halving, and everything was discounted half off. The same thing kind of happened to Ethereum, and pretty much all altcoins. If you're in any meme coins and things like that, they pretty much got destroyed as well, right? So look what happened to Ethereum. We're at 4,329, and then we dipped down all the way down to 2000s. So this is just insane. Now, am I still bullish in the market, or am I bearish right now? I think we're teeter-tottering up and down. So I do believe we will recover from this, and the year is still young. A lot of people are freaking out, panic selling, and if you were panic selling all the way down here, that's fine that you took some profit, but anyone selling at these, at this point, honestly, I think it's new money, and it's people that are not looking at the long term of things, right? Because Ethereum is basically the future of blockchain technology, in my opinion. And there's other projects that are also the future. Bitcoin is more of a store of value, which means hold as much Bitcoin as possible. There's only total 21 million minted. I think the number that's actually available out there now that wasn't lost is something like I think it's like 16 or 18 million or something. I can't confirm anything on that, but there was definitely some lost. So as things get mining and people have these computers to mine, there's a lot of controversy around mining right now. Elon Musk tweeted about the power, how it's not clean energy and all that stuff. But I know that the miners are working on that. And the stuff that's going on in China, I think China is actually going to be less of a imprint on what's going on with the mining, and is going to kind of transition over to the rest of the world that will support more cleaner energy. So we will see, but I think it will kind of fix itself. In the meantime, everything is being built, basically the decentralized internet of things and finance and NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, right, are all being built on Ethereum. And then even further, there's other things that are being competitive with Ethereum, like Solana, like BNB, like all these other altcoin projects that could be very, very bullish as well. So just keep in mind, you got to know that you're investing in the technology. This is like buying Apple shares when it was super cheap. This is like buying Amazon before it became Amazon, right? So just keep that in mind. Crypto is still new, and you can't freak out the moment things dip, because you got to go long, long term on this, right? So yes, that was a big drop, but look, if you look back at the long term periods, Ethereum last year, right, in October was this price, like $341. $341. Okay, we went up to 4,000. We went up to 4,300. So obviously, I got in when Ethereum was down in October. So because I believe long term the technology is gonna make sense, right? Bitcoin doesn't do heck of a lot. It's basically was built to be the future of money. It can be used as a currency, but it's more so being used, because it's so advanced in technology, being used as a store of value, similar to gold, right? But Ethereum has a whole different side of things. It has purpose, and it has technologies with that and other tokens that can be built on it. It has smart contracts. It just has a lot going for it. And with Ethereum 2.0, there will be eventually limited supplies, and you can accumulate more Ethereum instead of mining it on the computer and using all kinds of power. It's going to be owning Ethereum. You can stake it, and it's going to be a proof of a stake concept. So Ethereum, I'm super bullish on. So my goal is to really have as much Bitcoin and Ethereum as possible. And the market right here is saying that we're kind of trading sideways, right? So we're not crazy bullish. We're not crazy moving anything yet. But once Bitcoin gets some momentum, I believe everything's going to turn in the upwards direction here. Bunch of different projects. Something's happening right now. You see the 21% gains on Doge. That basically has been partially because it's been announced on Doge has been released to be announced on Coinbase now. So you can buy it on Coinbase, which is a big deal as well. But we're just really trading sideways and waiting to see what blows up, right? I like to go to this website called Cointelegraph to see what's going on in the markets as well. So Bitcoin drops below 36K, a century old. What was that? Financial model predicts big BTC crash. So there's some articles, possibly FUD. Largest Bitcoin event in history, Bitcoin 2021 kicks off in Miami. So there was a big Bitcoin conference. Bitcoin 2021, the biggest Bitcoin event in history with a sold-out crowd of at least 12,000 attendees in Miami, is kicking off with some of the world's biggest industry players. The conference will be one of the largest crypto gatherings to emerge following the COVID-19 pandemic, with organizers expecting more than 50,000 attendees. As an unofficial part of the conference, kicked off Thursday with the Whale Day featuring Galaxy CEO Mike Novogratz and BitGo CEO Mike Belsch. The event was positioned to be something more like a musical festival, featuring multiple stages, including the main Nakamoto stage, as well as side stages like Stacking Sats stage and the End of Fiat stage. Okay. Bunch of different notable people as well. Let's see here. Michael Saylor was there. Anthony Pomp podcast as well. So yeah, some big names at the conference. Paris Hilton tweeting, the crypto queen has arrived in Miami. So Paris Hilton was there. So a lot of big names in the crypto space right now, guys. But at the end of the day, you know, Bitcoin doesn't care if the price goes up or down. Bitcoin itself doesn't care if the price goes up or down. It's all about investing. So if people really believe this is going to be a big thing, it's going to continue to move upwards. Now, when people get scared, when they're freaking out, the price goes down. Just the way it goes. It's been like that for the last several years, right? So just know that you got to think long term. If you're investing now and it goes down, you're not losing until you sell it, right? So it's okay to take profits and not lose the money that you need to pay off your bills and things like that. But you don't want to be messing with your money that you need for bills. You want to be kind of putting money in, dollar cost averaging in if you can. So if the price is up, down, left, right, it doesn't matter. You're getting a little bit each and every single time you kind of average in. Let's see here, got a bunch of notifications here. So if you dollar cost average in, then you don't have to worry about the price as much fluctuating. So then maybe it's down right now, you buy in like $100 this week. And then next week you buy another $100. So if the market is slowly going down, you're buying cheaper. But then when there's a big spike, you're making those gains as well, right? So you can buy while it's going down, you can buy while it's going up, right? I want to show you guys, if you guys like to trade crypto, one of the platforms actually got a partnership with Bybit. So Bybit is would be the best derivatives and futures trading. So if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin is now available there on leverage. So you can trade regularly, or you can trade on leverage, or just buy crypto here. I have the best bonuses available in the market. It's about 1,600 bonus, up to 1,600 bonus. So if you guys are interested in Bybit, click down below. They do have some cool stuff like Dogecoins available there. There's some contests like the 7 Bybits Day Challenge, right? They have all kinds of things happening on Bybit. So all the big influencers, all the big crypto influencers use this for their trading. I'm just testing the waters right now. I'm used to using FTX, but Bybit is huge and it works very, very simply, and it's easy to set up. So if you guys want to take advantage, I have my referral code down below, so you guys get the best bonus in the market. I always try to give you guys the best value, the best bonuses out there, so that you guys can actually benefit from the research that I do. So as I learn leverage trading, the main focus for me for learning leverage trading is the fact that if the market is up or down, I can stare at a screen, get in, get out, and make some trades through the day and week, so that I can have that extra, the funds I make from trading as I get better is actually going to be revenue, basically for my business and for life in general. So if I could be on a computer just trading, a couple trades a day, and then just kind of live my life while I build my channels like YouTube, while I build my my podcast, while I build my passive income as well, my long-term holding, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, and my affiliate business as well. So as all these things are growing, if I can trade a couple trades a day, then that would be basically the income that comes in on top of the passives. Now I have a lot of projects I'm working on as well, a lot of things on the background. Like I have, not sure if you guys know about this. I'll show you guys this here in a minute. It's called Helium. Okay. So if you guys are in the crypto space, Helium is, it's called the People's Network. So it's like alternative internet using radio frequencies. Okay. And man, I'm super excited about this thing. Okay. I'm super excited about this thing because it's literally mining, like similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum mining, but traditional sense. With mining, you need a super powerful computer, a lot of power, And then you got to use the power efficiently. So you want to have multiple units, etc. Right? So Helium does it a little differently. So People Powered Network start wireless revolution. So powered by the Helium blockchain, the People's Network represents a paradigm shift for decentralized wireless structure. So you can mine, you can stake, and then you can use it. So you can actually use the network. Obviously, some big names here involved that mentioned it. And essentially, you can see where the hotspots are in your area, which is pretty badass as well. I love this. So the moment I saw this and started looking at the numbers of how much revenue people are generating from using these miners, I was completely in. Okay. So I've made some money through trading, some money through my YouTube channel, of course, here, which I appreciate you guys checking out my channel always. Please hit the like button if you didn't already do so. And if you're new here, please subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway. A lot of people asked me about this. I said once we hit 2K subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm still doing that. I just have certain requirements that I want to be fulfilled when I enter everyone in. So just keep that in mind. It's been a little bit busy and hectic with family and stuff like that. I was doing homeschool for my daughter for a while, so just be patient, all right? I will be doing the giveaway. It's going to be at least $100 in crypto, okay, USD. All right, guys, so this is the mining rigs you can get, and they're called hotspots. So there's Bobcat, there's Nebra, there's what's this new one? Sisterbit, right? So they used to come up with this Helium one originally, and then it looks almost like a Mac Mini, but they stopped producing it. So if you can get your hands on one of those, that's classic. They're being overpricedly sold on eBay if you always want to get it there. But you can get it right through this website. Now, these are actually extremely hard to get. You can't even buy a Nebra right now. Bobcat, you can still buy. Only way to check out is with crypto, okay? They're looking to integrate soon with Coinbase as well. I think that's very soon, if not now. Syncrobit, you can just buy with regular credit card. And the rack miner, you can buy, I think it's on a waiting list right now, but you could buy with credit card as well. So Bybit GPU mining, mining HNT with hotspots is done via radio technology, not expensive or wasteful GPUs. So that's huge, guys, because I think Helium could be gigantic because you guys heard all the controversy about how much energy traditional cryptocurrency mining entails. So this is like, these miners literally use $1 of power a month, which is ridiculous. You're contributing to the network. You're giving an alternative internet to the people, which is great. So this, as you mine, you accumulate Helium tokens. So you can either sell that off in exchange and take your money now, or you can hodl and hold Helium. And then if you see value in it accumulating value, then you can kind of hoard some away and grow it as a part of your portfolio. Now, I ordered 2 Bobcats, and then I'm like, F it, I'm going to order 2 racks. So that's 4. And then a friend reached out to me and they want to get involved as well. In my area, there's about 12 units. So, there isn't as many as some of these bigger cities. So the revenues are the biggest in these larger cities that have multiple miners around, okay? And you can actually see this by looking at this view network map here, which I'll show you guys. I also ordered a new computer, guys. I just put my money where my mouth is. I just ordered a new computer so things will be faster. I can do multiple streaming and things like that. So it's going to make my live streams more efficient. It's going to make my videos more efficient, my editing more efficient. So I have that. I'm ordering a Windows desktop, believe it or not, with a dedicated graphics card. And I'm waiting to see what happens with Apple, and I'll probably end up picking up a new iMac as well. So this is my area here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like 18, 19 units around. So I'm actually going to go hard and get 4 units, and I have a business partner that's going to do 4, so that's 8 units. So we'll capitalize on that. But if you look at if you guys look at the bigger areas here, look, people are definitely capitalizing here, right? So let's look at some of the areas where there's more units, okay? So some people are really taking advantage of this in these areas, right? And you can see what they're doing, how much they're making, all that stuff, right? You can see nearby hotspots, rewards. So this one's making 52 helium every 30 days. So what's that? The helium, I think, is around $15 or something like that right now. $15, so 52. Yeah, $780 a month, just the one unit, because it has this whole network around it, right? So let's go to one of these other ones here. There's a nearby hotspot there. Look at this bad boy. Okay, he's getting all the power from all the other networks, right? Man, I should have ordered like 10 of these. But you need a house to set it up at, right? So you need a Wi-Fi and a house to set it up at. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, who do I utilize as a resource that doesn't mind me plugging in this miner? Because some people are like really skeptical about this stuff, right? 540. This one's a beast. 540 helium, guys, in a month. Okay. For this one miner. So let's calculate. I said 15. I don't know. Well, where is helium at right now? Let's go. Number 78. This could be a top 10, top 20 project. Over the last year, over 5,275, or sorry, 77% gains. What was I looking at the price? Yeah, $14, right? $14. So $7,560 USD, guys. Last 30 days for this miner. I'm just saying there's a lot of potential out there. You guys can do what the F you want. I'm on board with it. I ordered 4 units. You know, honestly, I was talking about with some people, and they're like, "Well, you don't really know what you're gonna make, and you should only order 1 and this and that." I was like, you know what? The moment I got off the phone, I ordered 3 more. I ordered 3 more. Because I don't really go with the flow of what everyone else is doing or thinking or anything like that. You got to do what you believe in. If you win, that's your win. If you lose, that's your loss. Just, you got to eat it. And you got to realize that you got to take chances, right? I'm trying to build a life of independence, financial independence, where I'm making more passive income than even me, you know, going to a job or doing a trade or anything like that. Like waking up, taking care of your family, you know, enjoying your life, going on a walk, enjoying nature, things like that, traveling, and still making income is the goal for me. That everything's covered, all the bills are covered, and you're just living your best life, and you can give back to the communities, you can give back to the people you care about, spend time with the people you care about. That's my whole goal and journey of my life, right? So anyways, I don't know why I got on a little rant there, but I'm super, super bullish on this project. And I invested a little bit in Helium token, but I'm heavily, I don't even know if 4 units is heavy. That's like $2,000 or something. But when these do very well, I'll be ordering probably just way more. Okay. So I'm super excited about this project as well. So if you guys don't know about Helium, make sure you jump on that. Yeah. So I think honestly the markets, like let's look at Ethereum right now, 4-hour chart. So you're getting a strong buy signal. So I do think that we're kind of playing sideways right now, but something is going to happen, in my opinion, for us to go part 2 of this bull run, and we're going to go bypass the previous all-time high here. That's what I think. I could be wrong. If we end up going downwards, then we could be the bear market. Okay, guys. I still think it's too early though. There's a new Ethereum update that's coming in July. So I think that's actually going to build some momentum for altcoins. Okay. Bitcoin is not going to sleep either. Institutional investors are realizing that they need to get in, and they're waiting for it to dip down to buy even cheaper, but I don't think it's going to happen. The lowest was 29,000 over the last little while. Yeah, 29,000 here. So I really do think we're going to correct. Now, if you guys want to see charts like I'm seeing, where you can go, buy signals and maybe get into a long position, or maybe just, dollar cost average in, but kind of see if it's the right time in the day to buy. I use Lux. I'll go on TradingView, so you can actually get the best buy signals here, so you can know when to get in. So you could have got out of that 29,000 because it gave a strong buy signal there, right? And also when you want to take profit, so if you zoom out, if you were literally just buying Bitcoin to trade and profit and not long-term hold, the top would have been predicted. Yeah, the top was predicted, sell right there. Stay hydrated, folks. Stay hydrated. So yeah, the top was definitely predicted, where you could have sold the top right there if you listened. That being said, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. Look at this 4-hour chart. Yeah. Boom. Sell, 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 sell. We didn't do it. I didn't sell it. I kind of I'm trying to think, do I regret not selling Ethereum and Bitcoin at the top and take my profits and then reinvesting when it went down? But just realize the tax impact as well. When you buy and sell crypto, you get taxed on those funds. I'm at a point where I'm like, if I can hold Bitcoin and hodl Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it goes to ridiculous prices, which it will, eventually you're going to be able to borrow on your funds that you have. So, for example, with Celsius, another project I'm super bullish on is Celsius Network. Okay, where you can, instead, while you're holding hodling your portfolio, you can make money with Celsius by earning interest and yield. So by just holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, etc. Oh, they just refreshed the website a little bit, guys. Yeah, they just refreshed the website. So you can earn on your crypto by just holding in this wallet. And I trust Celsius more with my crypto than I trust myself with a ledger or something like that. 21 billion in assets, in community assets, 773K Celsius users, 386 million yield paid in 12 months. Just a huge community, making huge interest. So you can invest, let's say you have 10K in Bitcoin. Whoops. Right? These are the gains you can make. So yeah, why not? But they also have different products. So you can earn yield. Now, if you want to actually take out a loan, let's say you have all kinds of Bitcoin, Ethereum, you stash it away, Litecoin, and then you have a big bag of it. And then you're thinking, I gotta pay this loan off, or I gotta pay a credit card off, or I gotta pay a family emergency. So instead of selling, you can actually borrow on your funds. So if you have quite a big bag in crypto, you can borrow at 1% interest on Celsius and then pay off your stuff. So you can get paid out in stablecoin or even cash. Okay, that way you're not impacting your crypto that you're holding long term, and then you can still pay off bills and things like that. So, in my true belief, the future of finance is in a cryptocurrency, right? Because banks are basically screwing us left, right, and center. Let's just be honest, and charging us heavy interest. So that's why I'm super heavy Ethereum as well, is because these contracts, these financial contracts, are being built on, for the most part, Ethereum blockchain. Okay, and stock market, trading, loans, mortgages, all that stuff is coming to blockchain. So even if you have a horrible credit rating right now, which I still think it's important that you have a decent credit rating, okay, guys, in life, but it's going decentralized. So you're going to let the crypto do the talking for what rates you can get, what loans you can get. It's already happening, okay, with Celsius. So if you guys want to earn a bonus with Celsius, you can earn extra money on your cryptocurrency yield as you're holding. I'll have coupon codes down below, promo codes for Celsius, so you guys can get free crypto with your deposit as well. So I'll include these promotions down below for you. All right. But yeah, guys, that's all I want to talk about today. Mindset wise, stay positive. If you really believe in crypto, then you want to stay positive. And as things get cheaper, if they get cheaper, then buy more, a little bit at a time, so you can dollar cost average in at a lower price. I'm not sure if you guys know, but on my channel, I also teach affiliate marketing as well. I'm not only doing crypto. I do I teach people how to promote affiliate products and then make passive income from that as well. One of the biggest projects I use is LuxAlgo, honestly, and I'm an affiliate for LuxAlgo as well, because I only promote things I like, and I promote things that I use. So with LuxAlgo, you can get your buy and sell signals, right, to take your emotions away out of your trades. And it has amazing looking software as well that works with TradingView. And these are the plans. So if you guys are interested in getting it, yearly is the best way to go, $489. You get 40% off, and you get 20% off with my code down below, okay? You can also go to getluxalgo.com. Here's the quarterly price, and there's a monthly. So monthly is a good way to tiptoe in, but I would go with the yearly or the quarterly because it saves you money long term. If you're going to be trading longer than a month, then go with one of these, honestly. So if you guys are interested, click down below. What I'm also getting at is you can become an affiliate member for this program. So you get 30%. So it does help me if you guys use my link down below. I'll be honest with you. But I'm also educating you guys that you can also sign up and be, once you really like the program, you can also share with family, with friends, whoever, businesses that want to use the software. You get paid 30%, okay? And that goes for any product out there that has affiliate program, guys. So if you guys want to make money online, maybe it's a hard time right now, you want to make some extra passive income, find a product that you like. Find a product you like, then talk about it. Do a video, okay? Go on Instagram, go on Reddit, go to wherever you're going to be, TikTok, I don't care, and start talking about it. Do a little video clip, do a little audio clip, and then always have call to actions as well. So tell people where to go, and if they're interested, they'll do it. That's it. All right. So hopefully you guys got some value from today's live. I really do think we're going to have a recovery, and appreciate everyone watching this today. And if you guys are interested in any of the products like Celsius Network, LuxAlgo, or Bybit that I mentioned, the links will be in the description below. And also, I will be giving you guys the updates on the Helium technology as well. So the Helium Network, I will be giving you guys updates on when I get my Helium miners, unboxing videos, how to set it up, how I set it up, how my location's doing, etc. I want to be very transparent with you guys, all right? And for those waiting for the giveaway, I will have an update on that shortly. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Till next time, guys, stay bullish, and I'll see you in the next one.